People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I want you to look at your screen and you see you see this couple that you're looking at right now. They are an elderly British couple. They're in their 70s, right? And they got caught in Portugal while they were on a cruise ship. Right? They were caught with about 9 kilograms of Diet Coke, right? But even though it's strange enough that people this old would be getting caught with Diet Coke, what makes things even more interesting is that they claim that they were set up and tricked by a Jamaican man. They are claiming that a Jamaican man who they know only as Lee, right, paid for their ticket on the cruise ship and gave them these suitcases full of Diet Coke, which the authorities end up catch, right? Now these people were sentenced to 8 years each, right? But what I want to know is this. You don't know somebody from Adams, right? And they say to you, listen, here is not 1, not 2, but 4 suitcases, right? I want you to take these suitcases, right? And you're thinking, okay, that makes sense. Let me not even look inside of them. Let me just work with what this strange person, who I don't know, is telling me to do. People, that makes sense. 4 suitcases, and not once did you at least open the suitcase to look inside of it. At no point did you ask Lee to at least give you some more information. When you get to your destination, who was going to pick them up? What, you were just going to arrive and then a magical fear was going to just come swoop down and pick up the suitcases then? These people clearly know more than they're giving off. And remember, I know people, they were sentenced 8 years. So they went to court. They tried to use this excuse and the court dashed it out, right? Now, in my opinion, I think the reason why they only got 8 years is because of their age, right? I guess the courts are saying, well, you might not even make it for the next, you might not even survive the next 10 years. So just do a small 8 years and come back on road, right? But I don't know why these people think they could just say, oh, well, a Jamaican give me it and that's it. It done right there, so. Right? As if the courts was going to go, oh, a Jamaican give it to you. Okay, well, you can go home now. And this is ridiculous. Right? These people clearly know more than they're giving off. Now, it's not impossible that them are linked with maybe even a Jamaican 116 who was looking to help them, who was trying to help use them to move things across Europe. That's not impossible. What is impossible is the fact that they know nothing at all about the man or nothing at all about what was inside those suitcases. Right? That is the part that is extremely hard to believe. That them just take one suitcase. You know what I would believe? If, let's say for example, somebody had given them a bottle of some kind of drinks, right? Or somebody said, here's a pudding or here's a cake, right? A single item, right? And then them go, oh, this nice man Lee, just give me this item for whatever reason, right? Then they put it in them suitcase, and then when them get to the other end, they found out that inside the bottle or inside the cake had some Diet Coke. Now, I'd be more likely to believe that, right? Because this is a single item, even though we know everybody who's ever been to an airport here say you mustn't take nothing at all from nobody, right? Especially if you don't know what is inside of it, right? But if it was a single item, fine. But this is 4 suitcases full of Diet Coke, right? How trusting are you to just meet this randomly, take things from him, and go on a cruise ship? So, as you can see, the story was so ridiculous. Even the judge was like, no. You have to go brush her 8 years for this. Right. So, as it stands right now, because they didn't catch any Lee, they didn't catch any Jamaicans, so we don't even know if the whole thing was made up. And remember, the Jamaican people name easy to call. Very easy to call. Right. So, Granny and Grandpa get that way if you're 8 years. Right. It'd be very interesting to know if there really is a Lee though. Right. But I just wanted to see that as far away as Portugal, we're hearing that Jamaican name I get called on Diet Coke. Portugal, you know. People, we have to just laugh sometimes, take bad things make joke. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless you.